Hi!
Hi.
Merong bagong Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Ayan o, yung Pokemon na Dragon
Cards.
Discovery.
Yeah.
Yes, yung mga cards. Ayan o. Nung Friday pa namin ito nabili, ngayon pa lang namin ma-unbox. Yun mo na.
I like Dragonite.
Tapos sa akin, syempre si Charizard. Si Charmander yung starter Pokemon ko eh. Sino sa'yo yung starter pag pinapili ka?
Squirtle.
Ayan, open na natin.
Yeah.
Ano lang to, Pokemon cards.
Pikachu and
Tapos,
Dragonite.
ito yung pack. Ayan,
I wish I get
Dragonite, no? Ito yung, meron kasamang activity sheet and ayan, may sticker sheet. Show mo na. Yan, ganda oh.
like parang who to find.
Yeah, ilalagay mo yung stickers. Tapos, ito. Ganda. Tapos ito yung stickers.
Okay.
Okay, open natin yung kay
The rare one.
Cut natin. Wait lang.
Okay. Four.
Wait.
I don't know.
Okay. Show mo na. Yun. Slowly lang. Sino yan? Yan oh. Yan. Gusto ko to, Charizard. Nice. Yan. Jigglypuff and yan. Ganda. That's all. Peace. Follow for more.